Shang, how about you? I know that you talk a lot about money mindset on your platform, and I'm curious as to your thoughts and how we can be proactive participants in reshaping that money mindset.
Yeah, mental health and financial health are completely intertwined. There's been scientific studies that shown the link between that. I say money is like a knife. If you use it poorly, it can kill you, but if you use it wisely, it will feed you for the rest of your life. And so I really try to help people who grew up with a scarcity mindset to first see money neutrally. I might not get you to abundance mindset right away because it sounds really crazy when you first hear about abundance mindset. But I say money is a tool. You're just learning, you're just getting data about how you've behaved in the past. And then little by little, we take that one little next step. We do things a little bit scared to move to a new mindset.